This is by far the biggest chair that I ever tried. Look at this monster. Look at this thing. It is so gigantic. It is so well padded. It is so tall as well and so big that I have to say that this is insanely big. And this chair supports up to 500 pounds. So that's actually a lot. The brand sent this one to me and I tried it and I think it is insanely good. It has the tag in here because I do want to show you a few things that as on the tag as well. But I think this chair, it is number one for heavy people. Number two, for heavy people that also likes to sit in a comfortable position and also have comfort on how wide this chair is, because you can see how big this thing is. It's actually insane how big it is. I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds, so I'm not even closer to what this chair supports, which is 500 pounds. But you can see right here that it's made of this really nice and stylish leather. But I do want to say that I do like the fact that it's extra padded here. One thing that I will mention that it's something that it's not that I don't like it or something like that, but if you have sweaty hands, this type of leather can be not an issue, but you may be cleaning this chair once in a while, like once a week or something like that, with a cleaning mouth or something like that. Because if you have sweaty hands, it will kind of like print a little bit of your fingerprints in this type of leather because it's like an extremely soft leather. Right here, you can see that it's padded also right here on the sides, that kind of like gives you a really nice support on the side. And the armrest, take a look to the armrest. You can see that they are kind of like, they go inside first and they give you this really nice support when you're sitting. I have to say that, my God, this is so comfy. I'm not joking. I'm not exaggerating. This is really comfy and gives an amazing support to your arms because they're extra wide. You can see how wide these are. I have like, when I say like probably like regular size arms, and I'm not super I'm not super big or something like that, but I do like the fact that this one supports an insanely amount of weight, which is also the fact that it's wide, so it's so wide right here in the armrest and right here in the chair as well. Something extra cool right here, let me show you that this, you can actually modify the height on the headrest, which is not just a headrest. This is just not a dedicated headrest. This thing is this whole support of your neck and your back. It is right here. So I'm 5'10" and you can see how much room I still have right here for a person that is probably like 6'1" up to 6'2". I want to say that this one is pretty cool. But then let me show you the cherry on top of this. Right here, you're gonna see that comes with this right here. This air pump is for the lumbar support. Right here is, as soon as you start like kind of like putting some air in this air pump right here, it's kind of like starting pushing your lower back area, and it feels so nice. That gives you that really nice 90-degree sitting position that you need when you're sitting for long periods of time. And then on this side, it's just not kind of like a handle. And by the way, the assembly process of this chair is insanely easy, super easy. It's not going to take you more than 20-25 minutes top with power tools. But it doesn't come with handles on the side. They're actually right here, kind of like on this section, which this one is for modifying the height of the chair, as you can see over there. And this one right here, I think now it's locked. It's actually unlocked. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Kind of like this rocking right here feels super nice, paired with all this big cushion and padded area that the chair has. This rocker right here that then you can lock just by regular push right here. So now it's locked. It's not gonna move anytime soon. I like this chair. I think it's massive. But if you really like to be comfortable, doesn't matter if you're a heavy person, doesn't matter if you weigh 200, 300, 400, or 500 pounds, you're going to be super comfortable in this chair, judging by just the size of this monster and how big, how comfortable, and how well padded it is. I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.